Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we would be talking about a very useful function in Excel, that is index match. Also, we would touch upon the benefits of the index match function over the traditional VLookup function, and then follow this up with the index match function. So let's begin with understanding the benefits of the index match function. The first and foremost benefit of the index match function is that it can look in the left of the table, whereas the VLookup cannot look to the left, it can only look to the right. One workaround of finding the selling price of a particular product code is to just copy the column towards the left from the left to the right. This is where index match function solves a lot of problems. The second benefit of the index match function is that it does not break when a new column is added but the VLookup breaks. For example, here we are using the VLookup function to find out the price of the product item 2. But let's say that we introduce a new column in between these tables by now you see that the VLookup is not working, and hence index match would be a better alternative than the VLookup function. Hence, it is always feasible to use the index match function and not the VLookup function. So let's move on with understanding the index match function. In this exercise, what we would like to do is find out the selling price of all the product codes. The selling price are given in another table, but it's present to the left. Now, this is a particular use case where VLookup would not be applicable, and hence the only resolution is the index match function. So let's begin. Before going to the direct index match function, let's begin with the match function alone. The match function usually returns a row number or a column number. To start with the match function, just enter is equal to match and find out the lookup value. So here the lookup value is the product code. Next, the lookup array is the array where you want to look the product code. So here the lookup array would be this. Anchor the lookup array with the F4 key so that the range gets fixed. And finally, select the match type as 0 to be exact match. You see that it has returned 6. So here 6 means the row number where the product code 1001 is present. Now this is the array and we would like to start counting from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it returns the row number 6. Similarly, we can drag the formula till the bottom to find out the matches of all the product codes in a particular range. And we have all the row numbers here. Now, after matching the product codes of one table to the other using the match function, let's move on to the index function. The index function returns the value which is next to the product code. So let's begin with entering index. Now start with entering the array where you want to find the value. So this is the lookup array from where you would pull out the selling price. Fix the range by pressing the F4 key and enter the row number of the corresponding product code. Now we saw that for 1001 product code, the row number is 6. So let's enter 6 here. And now what's the column number? So since there is only one column, let's enter 1 as the column number. Now we find that the value of the selling price is 5 rupees for the product code 1001. Let's find what's the selling price in this particular table. So for the product code 1001, you see that the selling price is rupees 5. Hence, the index function is working exactly right. Now, the next step would be just to drag the cells till the bottom. But you see that the formula has not reproduced. Why? Why is this? Because you see that the row number is fixed across all the cells, which is row number 6, and hence it is giving the selling price of the product code 1001 only, and hence we would require a combination of index function as well as the match function to populate the final selling price with a reproducible formula. Let's start by understanding the index match function as a combination. Let's start by entering index. Now, the array for the index function is the selling price column. Let's select the selling price column and fix it with the F4 key. For the row number, instead of putting a static value as row number 6, let's use the match function to return the row number and the column number. So previously we talked that the match function usually returns the row number or the column number. So let's use the match function to find what the lookup value is. So the lookup value here is cell B3. What's the lookup array? So the lookup array is this. Again, always remember to fix the ranges with the F4 key to anchor the range. And let's choose exact match. So now we have entered the row number. Let's move on to the column number parameter. So the column number again remains 1. You press enter and then reproduce the formula by dragging it till the bottom. Now you see that the index match function has worked as a combination to find out the selling price of the corresponding product codes. Let's verify whether we have got the correct selling price. For product code 1001, you see that the selling price is 5 rupees, which is populated here. For the product code 1002, you see that the selling price is rupees 10 and this rupees 10 here as well. Hence, the index match function is working exactly fine. So in the right trick to play around with the index match function is to just enter the match function instead of the row parameter, which works as a combination, so that the formula is reproducible till the end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was a learning experience. We will see you soon. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit a thumbs up for more interesting videos. Thank you.